What I have behind me is already a very popular setup, the ski box on the passenger side and the aux box on the driver's side. But now let's talk about the ski box. We call it a ski box, but it is an all-season box. The box itself, the hinges, latches, everything's aluminum, held together with stainless steel rivets. In the box here I have two of my skis. I'm an Atomic guy. These ones are 182, these are 178 skis. They fit perfectly inside the box, but we were able to test some skis up to 193. It may be different if you have a cross-country ski, Alpine ski, a twin-tip ski. Included in the box, there's some stainless steel tie-down points into which you can put a strap to strap your ski together. There's also some on the side, so you can strap stuff to the wall on both sides and on the back. At the bottom of the box, you have a small drain hole that is covered by this pad here. If you want to drain even some more, because there's a lot of water, you can lift in one corner and help it to drain out. Now let's pay close attention to what this pad is. You have rubber on the outside, and we got it laminated with some really soft rubber at the bottom so that your skis or whatever you're putting inside the box would be resting on something soft. It would kind of dampen the vibrations. Now let's talk about the dimensions. The height is matching perfectly the height of a high roof van. The width, as you can see here, we had it mounted on the edge of the aux carrier, and it still gives us enough space to put a Rotopacks, which I think is really important. Or maybe you're thinking traction boards, and the same thing, we keep that in mind. So the traction boards and the ski box are fitting perfectly on the aux carrier. As we are shooting this video, I don't have any propane bottle holder in stock. We sold the first batch out, and even the demo one is gone. But this is an 11-pound propane bottle, and our carrier will be right here. So I'm gonna set it up there so you can picture how much space it could take. The way we approached this is we wanted more than a simple toolbox attached to the back of your van. The strongest way to build a box like this one is to have a door that is inset inside a frame that is bent and TIG welded on the corner. Pay attention to this. This was TIG welded and then buff smooth, so just perfect finish here, but also very strong. A very tight gap between the door and the box itself, so it makes it difficult for the dust to get in there. Thick and soft rubbers here we're using. We did our best to seal it from dust, water, and other stuff that could come in the box. And it's also lockable. The box will come with stainless steel hardware. Like these stainless bolts are nice and round, so less likely to damage stuff that's inside the box. And also these 4 rubber pads. The idea is that we fit the bolt inside the box. On the outside, we have this rubber pad that threads into the rubber, so rubber will keep the fasteners in place. And you can lift the box, find the slots, put it in, and with the help of somebody, you can tighten the nuts at the back of the carrier. So these rubber pads will space the box away from the carrier, so it won't be rubbing on the carrier. We'll keep the finish fresh. Also, they will be holding your fasteners in place as you're installing the box. Another thing, they will also be sealing from water, dust, and other stuff that could go inside the box. They will also dampen and take away some of the vibration transferred into the box.